Hi, didn't see you there. I'm Cole Stratman, CTO of the OE Guardrail team, and today I'm going to tell you how my team designed an efficient assembly process for this. A highway guardrail bracket. Now our group had an opportunity to work with a very special client. Opportunity Enterprises is a non-for-profit organization that focuses on empowering people with special needs and disabilities to have sustainable and meaningful work. Hey, I'm up here. So you're probably wondering, where do these little devices come into play? Well, come on, step into my shop and I'll explain. You're still with me? That's great. Come over here and I'll show you what's going on. So the issue comes at the end of the assembly process when we have to put these hex nuts on top to secure the bracket in place. The issue comes compressing these springs. These springs take 10 pounds of force to push down. Now imagine all day trying to push it down and securing it enough where you're able to tighten these on. You can imagine that after a long day of these, that your hands are gonna be tired and sore. I mean, look at me, I messed up.
Now let me tell you how our team solved this massive problem. Come on!
Now most of our work was done in the Donald B. White Engineering Innovation Center. Let me show you our design space. Our design space is marked by this lovely sign. It has all of our team members on it, and I think that's pretty neat. Now come this way, let me show you. We have 2 design stations. We also have a nice toolbox that allows us to not have to go into a lab to figure out how to build this amazing device. In order to design this effectively, we had engineers on our teams from a wide variety of disciplines. We had mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and computer engineers. Just gotta talk on this LED really quick. Hi, just finishing up some programming here. For our project, we used an ESP32 microcontroller. This allowed us to connect to the internet and as well use the Arduino IDE, which allowed a flat learning curve for us engineers to design and develop upon. Now our circuit is powered by 4 AA rechargeable batteries. This allows us to have features such as a power LED, an error LED, a toggle switch, and connect to a Wi-Fi database. Now the mechanical engineers are the ones responsible for making this amazing compressive design. Now the device consists of many parts. One, we have the locking mechanism which holds the bracket in place. We also have the compressive lever. This device here goes and presses down on the bracket. They also designed this amazing locking ring to hold the thing in place so that you can't get loose. So you might be wondering, where did the mechanical and the electrical disciplines mesh together? They come together in inductive sensors. We have 2 of them on the machine. One of them is inside the jig that detects when the screw is placed inside the jig. We also have another one right here. And you can see, once metal touches it, they activate and turn green and send signals to the ESP. Now I bet you're just dying to see this in action. First, we take both of the screws and we place them right into the jig. We then take these 2 tiny springs and place them downwards. We then take this bracket and put it down. We pull the lever forward and we compress and it locks into place. We then put these 2 springs on, followed by this bracket, and lastly, we put the nuts on and secure it tightly. See how much easier that was than trying to do it with your hands?
After that, we put the locking lever back, we lift it up, and out it comes, and there we go.
So there you have it. Because of our design, we are able to empower those at Opportunity Enterprises to have sustainable and meaningful work in a safer and more efficient environment. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today. I hope that our team is able to empower you to make a difference in somebody else's life. And always remember, creativity is intelligence having fun. Until next time.